Hello student of grade 10 NBSE Maths. Aji mohan quadratic equation exercise 4.4 kuru de. Exercise 4.4. First question number 4.4. Choose the correct answer. We say only mohan question number B the first kuru logo. Which de mohan choose the correct answer kuru de. Question number B. First question. Find the nature of the root. So nature of the root, if the real root exists, then find them. One first is A, B, C bisarbo. A do x square loge thaka to 2 ase, B do minus 3 ase, aro C do 5 ase. Aro mohan D bisarbo. D la formula to ki asle B square minus 4AC. Nature of the root to kine hoy? If D is less than 0, the roots are not real. If D equal to 0, the roots are equal. Aro if D is greater than 0, D la value do dangor ase, positive value ase, 0 bra bishi ase bole, the roots are real. So idu sabte mohan kuru de. So first mohan D bisarole. D la formula to ki ase last exercise pra kise B square minus 4AC value dhalibi minus 3 whole square minus 4 A do 2 ase aro C do 5 ase. Do multiply kore square kurle 9 minus 2 is 4, 4 5 is 20. Sorry, 2 4 is 8, 8 5 is 40. To mohan negative formula ase. Negative means to D is 0 bra komti ase, less than 0. Therefore, the roots are not real. Not real or unreal. Itu ki use karo pare na. So not real hole mohan solve karo na pare de. Second question. A do ki ase? A do x square loge thaka. B do minus 4 root 3 or C do constant 4. D bisarbo. So B square mane whole square minus 4 A do 3 ase aro C do 4 ase. 4 square do 16 ase plus into root 3 square do 3 ase de. Minus 4 3 is 12, 12 4 is 48. Or 16 into 3 be 48 ase equal to 0. That means D do 0 ase. D 0 shogole the roots are equal. D do idhar likhina ase D 0 hole the roots are equal. So roots equal hole mohan solve kuro pare. The quadratic formula cholabi. X equal to minus B plus minus root D by 2A. Value dhalibi minus B do kiman ase minus 4 root 3 plus minus root D do 0 ase 0 by 2 into A do ki ase A do 3 ase. So minus minus to plus hoy do 4 root 3 plus minus 0 by 2 3 is 6. So x la value do either x equal to 4 root 3 ever plus 0 logo or x equal to 4 root 3 minus 0 by 6. So equal root as a same answer logo dita bi 4 root 3 by 6 or do 4 root 3 by 6. Roots equal kole duita answer bi same hoy de. Next it will be bisar sabo. A do ki ase number 3 kuro. A do 2 ase, B do minus 6 ase aro C do 3 ase. So D bisarbo B square minus 4 AC. B do minus 6 ase, minus 6 square minus 4 into A do 2 ase aro C do 3 ase. Negative number square kole positive hoy. 6 square is 36, 6 into 6 is 36 minus 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24. So 8 paise positive ase. Or 8 ko ase 12 paise. So 12 is positive, D is greater than 0. That means the roots are real. তো সলভ কৰিব পাৰো ৰুটস ইকুৱেল নালে ৰিয়েল থাকিলে সলভ কৰিব পাৰো দে তো x লা ফৰ্মুলা চলাবি -b প্লাস মাইনাস ৰুট d বাই 2a কোয়াড্রেটিক ফর্মুলা চলা আছে -b তো কি আছে b তো -6 আছে -6 প্লাস মাইনাস ৰুট d তো 12 আছে বাই 2 into a তো কি আছে a is 2 minus minus plus हो जाओ 6 plus minus root 12 तो कितना बिचारे इधर रफ वर्क करे से root 12 तो 2 square into 3 हो ऐसे 12 तो ब्रेक कर सकले 2 6 2 3 so 2 square into 3 हो ऐसे तो स्क्वायर नंबर तो भाड़े जे जाबो root 12 ला जगह दे 2 root 3 लिखो पारो 2 root 3 by इदु 4 तो इधर कॉमन 2 लाओ पारे ते 3 बचिबो प्लस माइनस 2 कॉमन लैसे 2 3 टाइम्स 6 2 कॉमन लैसे खाली रूट 3 बचिबो दे 4 तो कैंसिल करले 2 तो x ला वैल्यू दो सो इधर x इक्वल टू 3 प्लस रूट 3 बाय एक बार प्लस लोबो और x इक्वल टू 3 माइनस रूट 3 बाय 2 द आंसर इज दे नंबर बी ला सेकंड क्वेश्चन करबो वीडियो पोस्ट करना आंसर लिखी सो यदि नेचर होता तो नेचर तो द रूट्स आर नॉट रियल फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नेचर सेकंड क्वेश्चन द रूट्स आर इक्वल एंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन दे नेचर तो द रूट्स आर रियल नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k फॉर each of the following quadratic equations so that they have equal root तो इधर कंडीशन दो रूट्स आर इक्वल कर दिस दे तो मैं a आगे बिचारो a दो 2 b दो k और c दो 3 तो कि करो since the roots are equal so d will be equal to 0 roots equal होले d तो 0 है roots equal होले d तो 0 है तो फॉर्मूला d ला फॉर्मूला तो लेफ्ट साइड लिखिबी b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 b तो क्या है k square minus 4 into a तो 2 আছে c तो 3 আছে equal to 0 लेफ्ट साइड तो फॉर्मूला चला है d ला so ಇದು k square minus 4 2 is 8 8 3 is 24 equal to 0 so k square will be ಇದು positive 24 हो जाबो तो k तो কি होबो plus minus root 24 so root 24 to break कर सभी 24 to if you break रफ फर्क नहीं दो 2 12 2 6 so इधु 2 square into 6 होय that means 2 root 6 हो जाओ स्क्वायर नंबर बाहर जाओ तो इधु plus minus root sorry plus minus 2 root 6 आंसर हो क्या लगे आंसर दो इधु रफ फर्क আছে the first arrange group k into x is kx square multiply krubi kx into 2 is 2kx plus 6 equal to 0 ide a do ki ase k b do x loge thaka do minus 2k or c do 6 since the roots are equal d will be equal to 0 तो सेम ही चलाओ डी ला फॉर्मूला लेफ्ट साइड से चलाओ b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 b तो क्या है minus 2k whole square minus 4 into a तो क्या है k और c तो 6 है equal to 0 so you do 4k square 2 square to 4 हो k square to k square minus 4 6 is 24k equal to 0 तो ये कॉमन की আছে 4k कॉमन আছে k minus 6 equal to 0 so either जगह कमती है 4k will be 0 that means k तो 0 हो जाओ 4 तो नाम से 0 by 4 तो क्या होगा और k minus 6 equal to 0 so k ला वैल्यू तो 6 हो जाओ तो k ला वैल्यू तो 0 नले 6 हो दे next What problem? Is it possible possible to design a rectangular mango grove whose length is twice its breadth. And the area is this much. Possible as in I do check there. If so, find the length and breadth. So length is twice the breadth question. So let breadth equal to x and length will be twice, means 2x. Now as per question, area do ki ase kuse 800 meter square. Area la formula do left side to area of rectangular formula chalabi rectangular ase kuse. So length into breadth is 800. Put the value 2x into x is 800. So we can cut. You solve rule parese direct. X square equal to 400. Solve kuru parale. Solve kuru kuse plus minus root 400. Square atale plus minus root dibo lage. So x is root 400 to 20 ase. Either x is 20 or x is minus 20. To man idu negative to nolawo. So negative to nolo chukle, therefore length to ki hobo 2x, that means 2 into 20, length to 40 meter, or breadth to ki hobo x, that is 20 meter. So man ko bare it is possible to design a mango grove there. So the post ko answer likhi lobi. Question number 4. Is the situation possible? If so, determine the present age. Okay, the sum of the age of two friends is 20. So duita friend la kotha ko ase. Let the age of first friend ne be x. So the second friend will be age of second friend will be total sum of the age to 20 as hoise. So idu 20 minus x hoijo. Ekta friend la age x ase kole ekta friend la age to total digna ase 20 minus x hoijo. Total minus first friend la age de. To kuse possible ase kole solve kori buse. 4 years ago the product of their age is 48. As per question, 4 years ago means first friend la age to x ase minus 4 hobo. 4 years ago de. Second friend la age to 20 minus x ase it will be minus 4 hobo. Dujan la age be minus 4 kuro. It will be minus 4 it will be minus 4 kuro. Kile kole 4 years ago kurse. The product idu dita multiply kurle age to 48 hola ikuse. To idu x minus 4 ekbar likhi idu 20 minus 4 do 16 minus x. Ita multiply kuro de. X pra sab ki kuro or minus 4 pra sab ki kuro. To multiply kuro 16x minus x square minus 4 16 is 64 minus plus 4x equal to 48. To minus x square ke likhi plus 16x arrange kuri plus 4x minus 64 minus 48 equal to 0. Arak pa minus x square itu to 20 ho jabo. The both negative means add kuro. So the 2 6 plus 10 112 equal to 0. This negative thakle solve kuru na pare to sign sab change kuru de. Plus to minus ho jao, minus to plus ho jao. So x square minus 20x itu plus ho jao 112 equal to 0. Itu possible ase nai kina check kuru bole a b c bisar lo. A do 1 ase, b do minus 20 or c do 112. D bisar na sao. So minus 20 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112 is AC. 20 square is 400. Negative to positive ho jao square kurle minus idu 448. To mahan ki pai ase minus 48 negative number ase. Since d is less than 0 it has no real root. So if we get negative d less than 0 possible though, is the situation possible? The situation is not possible. No real root will man solve it kuruna pro. So this situation though it's not possible. Okay. Next. Question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 and area this much? So man go let length equal to x. Perimeter to ki ase 80. Perimeter la formula left side te cholabi 2l plus b equal to 80. 2 rakatu pare. Perimeter of rectangle to 2l plus b ase de. So length to x loise plus b equal to 40. So what is breadth? 40 minus x. So length to x ase, breadth to 40 minus x. So area to ki koise? Area equal to 400. So area la formula left side te cholabi. Length into breadth equal to 400. Put the value. Length is 40 minus x. Breadth is length is x and breadth is 40 minus x equal to 400. X into 40 is 40x minus x square equal to 400. Arrange kuru de. First x square likhibo. This is 40x. This is minus 400. So negative thakile solve kuru na pare sign change kuribi. X square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. So ये a दो 1 ase, b दो minus 40 ase, और c दो 400 ase. तो d बिचारबी minus 40 whole square minus 4 into 1 into 400. So 40 square is 1600. 4 4 is 16. 0 0. Do 1600. So 0 la ase. Since d is 0, it has equal root. That means possible as a solve problem. Okay? So x la value though, the situation is possible. So x la value bisarbi x equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a minus b do kiman asile, b do minus 40 ase, to minus 40 likhibi plus minus root 0 by 2 into a do 1 asile. So do minus minus plus 0, 40 plus minus 0 by 2 idu kude asile. So idu ki hobo plus minus 0 to power jabe 40 by 2 hobo, cancel korbi 20. So therefore length equal to x, that is 20, or breadth equal to 40 minus x, that means 40 minus 20, 20. So do we pi jese? So let's do video pause karna answer likhna. Let's do number A. Choose the correct option there. NBSE la board ke jo choose the correct answer karna olop difficult level la di thake na. First question do moi dekhai diam. First question do a quadratic equation dikhe na. A quadratic equation mx square plus 2x plus m equal to 0 has equal root question. To find the value of m. To moi the equation likhibo mx square plus 2x plus m ni. Mx square plus 2x plus m equal to 0 dise. Value of m bisaribo koise. Aro roots are real koina ase na. Our roots are equal koina ase. So mohan a do ki ase m lobo, b do 2 lobo, aro c do m lobo. Since the roots are real, d will be equal to 0. Left side the formula chalabi b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So 2 square minus 4 into A do M ase, C B M ase. So 4 equal to 4m square equal to 0. So minus 4m square equal to 4m to tate jale minus 4 ho jabo. 4 do dilu jale minus minus cancel. M square equal to 4 by 4. Cancel kuri one time. So m square to 1 ase. That means mo square atale plus minus root over 1 dhalibo lage. That means plus minus 1 answer. M answer to plus minus 1. So option to ki hobo? Plus minus 1 do ase. Option to 4 over there. Answer be check kori pare. Number 1 la option to 4 ase. Number 2 kori dei ka. एक बार चेक करो सॉल्यूशन दो वीडियो पॉज करना आंसर लिखो पड़े इधर चूज द करेक्ट आंसर लास्ट सॉल्यूशन दिखा नंबर 2 दो दिस इक्वेशन x square plus 4x plus k equal to 0 has real root कुछ रियल रूट होले मैं आगे क्वेश्चन दो लिखो x square plus 4x plus k equal to 0 दिसे और रियल रूट ऐसे कुछ फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ k तो a दो 1 ले लो b दो 4 लो और c दो constant k since the roots are real b will be always greater than 0 okay real and distinct क्वेश्चन तो ना माने पॉजिटिव नंबर है वो तो लेफ्ट साइड the formula चला भी b square minus 4ac is greater than equal to 0 so b square तो कैसे 4 square minus 4 into a the 1 as 0 c the k is greater than 0 4 square is 16 minus 4k is greater than 0 minus 4k 16 तो ताते लो चले minus 16 तो फर्स्ट महान नेगेटिव साइन तो हटा वाला है तो जितना मैं नेगेटिव साइन हटा है बोथ साइड इधर तो पॉजिटिव हो लगे ना इधर साइन चेंज कर चुके इधर सिंबल भी चेंज हो जाए तो बोथ साइड पॉजिटिव पड़ो 4k इधर सिंबल भी चेंज हो जाओ 16 for example inequality stay na thake -2 aro -5 kuntu dangor ase 2 dangor ase to na to ine hoido hulu sign ate dile 2 aro 5 kuntu dangor ase 5 dangor hoise to ma jita sign to change kore symbol bi change koribo lage so k do ki hobo less than 16 by 4 nami jabo 4 time so k is less than 4 this is the answer so option the bisare kunta ase option the 2 ase na k is less than 4 third question equation age likhibo equation ki dise third question ek bar likhibo de x square plus k 4x plus k minus 1 plus 2 equal to 0 dise to idu equation digna ase has equal root कुछ है तो find the value of k has equal root कुछ है तो मान जो arrange करो लगे जो number a ला third exercise 4.34 ला करो इसते what choose the correct answer जो arrange करो करने first इधर multiply कर लेंगे x square plus 4kx plus idu k square ho jabo minus k plus 2 equal to 0 to yede a do idu 1 ho jabo b do x loge thaka do b hoy idu b ho jabo aru c do all this constant okay k square minus k plus 2 ho jabo c do to since the roots are equal d will be equal to 0 roots to equal as we left side the formula chala b square minus 4ac equal to 0 put the value 4k whole square minus 4 into a is 1 into c is c do goes na 4k square is 16 k square minus 4 k square minus k plus 2 इधर 4 थ्रू कटू पड़े 4 1 टाइम 4 4 टाइम तो की बचो 4k स्क्वायर दो ब्रैकेट आते हैं minus k स्क्वायर minus minus plus k minus plus minus 2 equal to 0. 4k square minus k square do 3k square plus k minus 2 equal to 0. तो middle term factorization कर लेंगे 3k square इधर quadratic equation हो जैसे 3 2 times 6 6k factor करना है तो minus वाले minus होगा 1 power लगे so 3 2 times 6 3 minus 2 is 1 so 3 minus 2 है लिखिए 3k square plus इधर क्या ना 3 into k is 3k 2 into k is 2k minus 2 इधर इधर दूसरा दे common लेंगे इधर दूसरा दे 3k common है तो 3k जैसे k बचे वो plus 3k जैसे nothing is left 1 इधर दूसरा दे 2 common है तो minus common ले तो sign change होगा 2 1 times 2 okay इधर दूसरा से मोबाइल एक बार लिखिए k plus 1 equal to 0 लिखो ले पावर जैसे और इधर 3k plus minus 2 so either k plus 1 will be equal to 0 that means k is minus 1 or 3k minus 2 equal to 0 that means 3k equal to 2 so k will be 2 by 3 this is the answer okay so k is minus 1 and 2 by 3 okay the survey minus 1 and 2 by 3 option 2 minus 1 base or 2 by 3 base let's do the next question la 4 la kiba likhi lobo equation do jaga damar lobo idore de likhi lobo a square plus b square x square number 4 press de exercise 4.3 choose the correct answer has no real roots question has no real root question तो no real root कोले तो सम नकले हो not equal पाबो लागे ना आंसर चेक कर लो नंबर 4 ला तो 4 है वो so not equal ला सिंबल देखते हैं से so इधर डायरेक्ट हो जाओ दे no real root question ना नंबर 5 इक्वेशन लिखियो first 5x square minus k plus 1 बुझिस ना no real root कोले तो not equal है आइबो लागे equal लाइक तभी ऑप्शन ना था हो जाओ so इधर हो जाओ दे इधर तो if the root of this has real and distinct root तो क्या होगा कुछ दे तो छाड़ी ना नंबर 5 करो नंबर 5 तो इक्वेशन दो 5x square minus kx plus 1 equal to 0 तो a दो 5 आसे b दो minus k आसे और c दो 1 आसे तो real root आसे कुछ since it has real root so d will be greater than 0 तो फॉर्मूला तो क्या है d दो b square minus 4ac will be greater than 0 so b दो minus k whole square minus 4 into a दो 5 आसे into c is 1 is greater than 0 so k square minus 20 is greater than 0 k square 20 तो तादल हो जाले पॉजिटिव हो जाओ तो k दो क्या होगा plus minus root over 20 root 20 तो क्या मन लो root 20 तो 2 square into 5 है तो square number 5 हो जाओ और 2 तो बाहर हो जाओ और square non square number तो भीतर देखो तो इधर तो k is greater than plus minus 2 root 5 तो the k must be always greater than the एक तो answer तो 2 root 5 है और एक तो answer minus 2 root 5 तो k must be greater than 2 root 5 but k must be less than minus 2 root 5 means k must be greater than the bigger number and k must be less than the smaller number k must be greater than the bigger number k must be less than the smaller number so this of the option देखिए वो k is greater than the bigger number k is smaller than the smaller number so number 4 is the answer okay answer check कर लो number 4 is the answer ना number 5 ना let's do question number 6 equation dingna ase number 6 la equation to 16x square plus 4kx plus 9 equal to 0 has real and equal root question. So a do ki hobo 16, b do 4k or c do 9. That means real and equal means equal to d equal to 0 hole se b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. b is 4k whole square minus 4 into a is 16 into c is 9 equal to 0. So you do 4 square is 16k square minus 16 into you do 9 4 is 36 equal to 0. 16 ka 2 bar throughout it na. So k square minus 36 is equal to 0. K square is 36. K will be plus minus root 36. That means k will be plus minus 6. So k la value 6 over and minus 6 over. That is option 3 there. So video pause kuna sab answer lokhi. Thank you so much.